Your Gigabyte Aorus LCD display is showing a black screen, and we've got the immediate fix to get it working again right now. This guide is specifically designed to resolve the Gigabyte Aorus LCD display not working or black screen issue. First, let's confirm the physical connections. Often a loose cable is the culprit. Unplug the monitor's power and display cables, wait a full minute to let everything reset, then reconnect them firmly, ensuring they're seated properly. If that doesn't bring the picture back, the issue might be with the monitor's internal settings. So we'll move to method 2, resetting the monitor to factory defaults. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu, find the factory reset option and confirm it. This wipes any incorrect configurations that could be causing the black screen. If you're still seeing nothing, the problem could be with your graphics drivers, which brings us to method 3. Open your graphics control panel, ensure the correct resolution and refresh rate are selected, and apply any changes. Sometimes a simple driver update is all it takes, so for our final step, we'll update your graphics drivers through Device Manager. This process ensures your system is communicating correctly with your Aorus display, clearing up any potential conflicts causing that frustrating black screen.